Hello folks, welcome to another video on iOS app development. So in this video we'll cover auto layouts. Basically this is one way where Apple or iOS makes sure that you could put your views um, at a certain distance from the top and the left and the right, regardless of the phone that you're using. So I'll show you how to do that. So going back to our app here, so we have these three layouts, right? Three views. So what you could do is you could select all of those, click the utility menu, then you can stack them up here. So this is actually, let me show you these buttons. So this is for your constraints of the views if you want to change any of the constraints or add anything new. And this is where you can select a view and say like it's going to be 5 meters from the top, left and right, etc. Here is the one that I wanted to show you guys. So basically select this, press command, select these views. There it is. Again, here you can add leading edges, trailing edges, top edges, etc. This is all about constraints here. And then here you should be embedded into a stack view. So now they're all like stacked together. Now if you see they're not like they're really to the edge, right? If you want to add some spacing, you could add say like 8 here. Then there's a spacing of 8. So they're all stacked up together and that looks like this. And now we already did this. And now if you want to add another constraint that this entire layout itself has to be at a certain distance from its left and right. So all you do is click the stack layout, then add a constraint here, put a 20 here, put a 0 here, a 0 here, then add these 3 constraints. That makes it like this. Usually it is really close to the edges here. So if you want to modify those, so go to your constraints, here you can edit that. Say like you want to have it, say like 12 left, say like another 12 from the right or left. So that makes it way better looking. Okay, and then that part is done. That kind of looks like this. Looks like they have a little more here, so I can make it more like what they had. Change it to 20. Change this to 20. It's more like cool. Now, once you're done with that, that's what they did here. You can run this and see how it looks like. See how it looks like. Starting up on iPhone X. There you go. So it looks more like a good distance. And this should, you can rotate your phone right, so it should look fine regardless. Okay, and then last but not the least, so if you see any errors, say like in any of your views, so you could select this, then you can reset your constraints, clear, reset to suggested one. So if it shows like it's not looking right, you can clear it, and you can so this is for the selected views and this is for all views. And if you are not happy with say like a given one like this one, right, it should stretch all the way, right? So we can add another constraint for that. So you can say like can be 0. I think that's already there. Add one constraint that should stretch it. That looks way better. So that's it folks. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next.